Hey there, in this tutorial I'm going to share that how you can design a simple contact form like this using JetFormBuilder plugin. The plugin is the most of the things you can do it for free. You can search for the plugin, writing the name JetFormBuilder and install and activate it. So I'm going to add a new form. I'm going to name it new contact as I have already a contact form there. You can use the predefined templates here, but I'm going to design it from scratch. So here's the look. So even I want to delete this one also. Let me design it from the very beginning. So click on the plus button and search for text. So initially we need a text field because we need a name field, right? For the placeholder, make sure that you have in the block tab. So when you click on it will take you to the block tab. And then okay, let me call off this. In the advanced tab you will see the placeholder. So this way you can set the placeholder for other fields also. Again I'm going to add another text field. Okay, make sure in the general tab sorry, not in the general tab, in the field tab, the field type is text. For I am going to add another text field and the name will be email. The same way I'm going to set the placeholder. So the placeholder will be email, and make sure the field type is set for email. The next thing is we need a phone number. You can add it from here, or you can duplicate it from here. So click on duplicate. Yeah, you can see that there is another email field, but we need it a phone. I'm checking the placeholder, and also I need to change it from email to telephone, but if you keep it text, no problem. Then we need to change this form field name, because you see that when you duplicate a field, then you'll see something like this. So this is actually phone, right? The final thing is we need a text area field for the message. So click on text area, and here it is. So name it message, and the placeholder will be message. All right, so hit publish. Now want to see it in the front end, right? Here is my contact page, and I'm going to search for the form. You need to drag the Z form, not this form wizard. Okay, I need to select the form. So you can see that the new form is not there. I need to reload it. Okay, I have reloaded the page. I'm going to add a new container and then search for the form, drag the Z form widget and search for the form. So you can see that our new contact form is here. Yeah, it loads. Now let me tweak a little bit the design a little bit. So first of all, let me make the container a little bit smaller, maybe 650. Okay, it looks good. And then we need some spacing between the name and email, the several fields. Sorry. So increase the gap after. Yeah. Now I want to increase the spacing between the label and the box. Then go to label. I want to give it a padding of 20 pixel maybe, or 15, 10. Yeah, looks good. The next thing is we want a rounded corner. So for this, let's move on to the input field and give a border radius 24. It works fine. And then the next thing is let's see that how it looks in the front end. Yeah, the form looks fine. A problem I noticed, our message box is much more smaller than this reference one. So how we can increase the size. You can notice in the input field under the style there is a text area height, so you can adjust the height of the text area field. Now hit publish and notice the changes. Yeah, it looks okay. Now it's time to set the actions when someone submit the form. So the save form record is already there, so we need to add a new action to send mail. The mail to, I'm setting a different mail, a custom mail, so that we can test. Reply to, you can tweak the things. Reply to the admin email, so you can write something, or even you can use the settings icon to set a dynamic field. Suppose the subject will be new mail, and the name will be the person who are sending the mail. Okay, so name, the email address will be the email the person set, and content type plain text content. The content will be the message. If you miss it, so you will see that there is nothing, or even you can format it something like this way. So the name, email, and message. So in the name, I want to put the name of the person. And on the email, I want to put the email of the person, so that you can see everything. Okay, and the message, then hit update. So let's check that, and don't forget to hit save. Now let's check that is everything was fine. So I'm setting a name Arif, my email will be this one, the phone number this one, and the message I'm testing. Okay, hit submit. Okay, the form submitted. Let's check my email. In my inbox there is no email, so let's check in the spam. Yeah, you see that the email is on the spam folder, and yeah, the formatting we set there, and we see everything is looks okay. But if the email is if you don't find it even in the spam folder, so make sure then you need to configure the SMTP, and you can use a plugin named like Fluent SMTP, and configure the SMTP. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please leave a comment in the description. Just simply you can write thanks. That's it.